Man, I'm starving.
Literally, bro. I'm so hungry.
We
You can just eat this.
Sure, I guess.
Okay.
What is that? Good looking, dude.
Stop! Do you know what we just ate was really unhealthy?
What we ate contained 210 milligrams of sodium.
Well, now let's show you an easy and healthy snack to make.
So first we're getting some ingredients that were also very cheap and under $20, consisting of spinach, yogurt, 2 bananas, milk, and berries. Next, and the most important step that we learned during our time with Teen Cuisine is washing our hands and, putting a good enough soap on there. Next, we're going to be putting in yogurt with the measuring cups that we had been gifted. And we're kind of just measuring from the heart here, but you can find the recipe and what you need in the measurements and everything at the Teen Cuisine website. Next, we're going to be adding the milk that I seem to have trouble with opening. And then we're also going to be using the measuring cup that we were also gifted with. Next, my co-star is going to be putting in berries. As you can see that we're wearing gloves so that our hands aren't in contact with the food and keeps it safe and fresh for both of us to eat. Next, I am putting in the bananas as well, adding that extra healthy additive. Next, my co-star is going to be adding the spinach. Next is the blending stage. And finally, after you're done with all the blending, you pour your smoothie to the desirable amount that you want.
There you go. A super delicious and easy snack.
And make sure to enjoy it.